If you've ever tried removing a sticky label from a jar and been left with this mess, here's a simple way to remove it cleanly, leaving no residue whatsoever. The paper often comes away, but the adhesive remains stuck to the surface, especially on glass, plastic and metal. Now, sometimes your label is going to be quite smooth. So in that case, what I like to do is to get something a bit sharp, like scissors, and then just lightly score the label. This will allow the water to get behind the label in the next stage. So I've got some hot water here, and just to make the top part of the label a bit easier to remove, I'm going to soak it in some water for a few minutes. The top part of the label is now soft and coming off quite easily. So we're still left with quite a lot of residue at the moment, which has been under the sticker. What I like to use is isopropyl, also known as IPA. I'm using 99.9% pure, which is a very purified form of alcohol. So before going anywhere with this stuff, I would highly recommend the use of some rubber gloves just to protect your hands. It can irritate skin and it can also dry out skin, so use rubber gloves to save your hands. Get some cloth or tissue, preferably something a bit thicker, and then just pour in a little bit of isopropyl. Make sure you test on an inconspicuous area first, because IPA can affect some painted finishes, certain plastics and some printed coatings. You'll probably want to turn your tissue over to a new side, because it can take on all the glue. It's already doing its magic. You probably want to do this in a well ventilated area, because isopropyl can smell. So what isopropyl does is break down the glue and softens it, which is what makes it easier to remove this gluey residue. You can be generous with the isopropyl actually. And there you have it, a beautifully residue-free jar. If that video helped, feel free to like and subscribe. It helps to support the channel. Thanks for watching.